from the women's basketball team so far? Kamusta?
Well, first of all, no, the pronunciation of his name is Didi Taves. Like
Taves. Okay, thank you very much.
It's actually a German name. So German descent siya, but he's Canadian. Who has been living in Japan for the past 30 years or so. No, I've been coaching there. But he really likes to be called just BT. So BT. So even the players call him BT. Ano. Okay naman, he's getting along with them. He's working on obviously the camaraderie of the team, yung pag-gel na pag-sink in. And he spends, I noticed, no, he spends time talking to the girls a lot, even during days na walang training. So nag-invest talaga siya dun sa relationship, and he's already looking forward also to connect with our Phil-American players in the NCAA. So may makukwento siya sa akin, nakausap niya on the phone or nag-Zoom meeting sila. So medyo may pagkaburero tong coach natin na ito na parang so we're really looking forward to how he fares here in Mexico. Siyempre, first tournament, so mga kabayan, pero we're confident that he shows the right coach for us.
Pero 3-time coach of the year pa ito ng Japanese League, so he really has strong credit, ma'am.
Yeah, and we also know that Japan is very strong in women's basketball.
So, seeing to the Asian Games, anong pinaka-realistic expectations natin sa, I mean, of course, the Gilas men have the proverbial bullseye on their back because they're defending champions. Pero din sa women's, anong pinaka-realistic expectations natin sa kanila for the Asian Games?
Ako personally, my expectation is mag-top 4. But we'll see, no? I think last Asian Games, nasa 6 ba tayo? Naglan. But it depends din talaga kung sino padala ng mga ibang team. Naglabas ng pool ang Japan yesterday, and they're not sending their 18. So, yes, home court sila in Nagoya, pero wala doon ng 8 players sila. Their national team coach is not even coaching them. May ibang coach sila. So, ang hirap talaga sabihin, no? Pero ako, I'm hopeful that we will land in the top 4. Kasi ang iniisip ko na lang ngayon, may translator ako pagdating sa Japan.
Actually, he speaks fluent Nihongo.
He's very fluent, yes.
Very good. Maraming salamat po, ma'am.